Hello, in this video, I will explain to you on how to solve this problem. So the question is estimate the average force exerted by a shot putter on a 7 kilogram shot if the shot is moved through a distance of 2.8 meters and it is released with a speed of 13 meters per second. Okay, for you don't know what is a shot put, it is a sport in the Olympics that someone throws a heavy ball here. So this ball here is called a shot. This ball here is called a shot, and it is heavy. So the mass of 7 kilogram is very makes sense. So we'll have the mass of the shot that will be 7 kilogram. Okay, so you throw the ball here until it stops. So maybe because this is always a physics problem, we should always draw the problem, right? Draw. Let's suppose this athlete here, he throws the ball, the shot with heavy shot here, and he releases it with initial velocity of 13. So have VO is equal to 13 meters per second. And suppose that it landed here. Okay, the shot landed here, so the final velocity will be 0 meter per second, right? 0 meter per second, but the distance between them is 2.8 meters. So we'll have 2.8 meter. 2.8 meter. And what is asked by the problem? We are asked to find out the average force. Okay, so what is the average force? Remember that from the Newton's second law, that the average force here is equal to the mass times acceleration. We have the mass here, 7 kilogram, but we don't have the acceleration yet. So we need to find out the acceleration first. Okay, and that is the first step of this analysis. So we will have to find out the acceleration. Okay. And we can just assume that the trajectory here is a straight line, so we can use kinematics. Okay, from the kinematics, we know that Vt squared is equal to Vo squared, and then plus 2, and then multiplied by the acceleration and by the distance, right? S here. Vt squared is Vo squared plus 2as. Okay, Vt is 0, so we'll have 0 square, and then we will have 13 here, so we'll have 13 square, and then plus 2, and A is unknown, but we have the distance, we will have 2.8, right? And so we will have 0, and 13 squared is 169, and 2 multiplied by 2.8, that will be 5.6a. So we will have 5.6a here is equal to minus 169. So we can isolate a here, and we will have the result. So what is it? That will be minus 169 divided by 5.6, and that will be minus 30.18. Okay, so I have minus 30.18, and the unit here will be meter over second squared, right? But then we can also calculate the average force, right? Because we have the mass here and also the acceleration. So we'll have this one here, mass times acceleration. Okay, so we need to calculate the net force, average force. Okay, and because we push the ball there, right? So we push the ball there, it goes with the opposite direction of the deceleration, right? So to stop the ball, we need this one, but we need the force that is exerted by the shot putter. So we can just ignore the negative sign here. So we'll have sigma F is equal to the mass times acceleration. And that will be, our mass here will be 7 kilogram. And then the acceleration here will be 30.18. 30.18. And so we will have the average force here is, let's write that, 7 times 30.18. And I will have 211.26. 211.26. And the unit here will be in Newton. So that will be the average force exerted by this shot putter here. I think that's all for this problem. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.